Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to prototype here in Penpot. Okay, so prototyping in Penpot, you basically link different screens. Okay, these are screens right here or boards. Okay, or in some terms, stages. So what you're going to do next is just make sure that a specific screen got a button. So just a heads up, this one is just an image. Okay, these are just images. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in a button for this edit profile section. Okay, like so. I'm going to change the color as well later on. There you go. Change the color to color picker right here. I'm going to match it. Now I'm going to add in some text, edit profile, something like that. Okay, of course, I'm going to go ahead and group this one. I'm going to lock the image first, then I'm going to select both items. Okay, I'm going to select both right here, and then I'm going to group it. So this one, the text in the rectangle is one clickable button. So to make it clickable, go to prototype right here. Now what you'll do is just got to click on the plus sign. Now on click, it says you can go ahead and change this one, just click on it. Now the trigger, we have on click, mouse enter, and mouse leave. Okay, I'm just going to leave it to on click. The action, navigate to or open overlay, toggle overlay, it's up to you, open URL. So I'm just going to set the destination to profile settings right here. Okay, destination profile settings. There you go. Here we now have our flow. Okay, so that's one flow. Add in some more interactions if you want to. Maybe this one when we click on privacy, or maybe, yeah, just maybe privacy. I may have to create another button for it. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to copy this button, move it to privacy, just for example, edit the text. I'm just going to change it to FAQ. Okay. And then I'm going to make sure that under prototype, I'm going to add in another interaction, and FAQ right here will go to, of course, the FAQ page. Just move it just like so. Okay. And when we go ahead and test it out, okay, and to click on edit profile, it should go ahead and lead us to profile identity. That is it. That's how you prototype here in Penpot. And if you want to, you can go ahead and share this one. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.